Hey guys, Houston Cowdog here. Custom1_64 farm trucks on Instagram. I want to do a quick unboxing video here of a sealed Greenlight case, and I don't know. I think it's the most recent Greenlight muscle release. I don't know the series number or anything on it. I just know that I pretty much wanted all the cars in the set, which is rare. So I went ahead and ordered this case from 3000toys.com. They had a pretty good price. It was $37 and change shipped. So it comes out to like, whatever it is, it was $6.32 a car. So we'll do an unboxing of a sealed case here. Who knows, maybe we'll get lucky and get a green machine. And I'm hoping that the smaller box will actually fit in this frame a little bit better than this bigger box. Oh crap. Here we go with a bunch of peanuts. Oh cool, they sent a few little decals I'll show you guys. Okay, here's the case. Looks legit. Oh no, it's not decals, but it's just a little business card. And here's the receipt. It's $29.99 for the case, $7.95 shipping, $37.94 shipped. That's not bad, guys. That's about what you'd pay retail. Around here, Greenlights are usually $5.99. Sometimes they're $4.99 at the H-E-B grocery stores. Okay, let's see what we got here. GL Muscle Series 20. And I don't know, I guess Greenlight did that. So wow, this was packaged fairly recently. I have not seen a video on this case or any of the cars in this release on YouTube yet. I haven't even seen anybody have any of these cars in their possession yet on Instagram. So who knows? This might be the first. Let's see what we got. All right. 76 Mustang-Cobra 2. That's a cool car, guys. Look at those wheels. Good color. I think this is the best release of this casting so far. Very nice. And this is the reason that really what prompted ordering this case. Is this the car I've been waiting for a while, since I first saw it on ZA3collectibles.com. This is a stock version of the 76 Ford Gran Torino. I like the fact that it has those chrome torque thrust and raised white letter tires. Very cool car, really nice color. This is another reason I ordered this case. Another 69 Chevelle SS. This SS, not a Yinko, but I am trying to gather up all the Greenlight 68 and 69 Chevelles. I do not think they've released this car before in white, or rather in that format in white. Okay, 2017 Dodge Charger RT. This is my least favorite of the set, but still, Greenlight does a really nice job with this Charger casting. Oh, wow. Look at that. I'll be darned. I actually got a green machine. I was not expecting that. So I guess I'm not going to get... Oh, I know why, guys. Okay, so even though I have not seen an actual photo of the 67 Camaro that was supposed to be in this case, I assumed that they did have it available and then it was going to be in this case, but I guess not. And so I guess they're shipping either two of this or two of any one of the cars in the series other than the 67 Mustang, which I guess apparently they don't have that casting ready to ship yet. Wow, that's cool, guys. Got a green machine. Let's see, I can never see what number these are. I think some, I'm not convinced that all the green machines are numbered. Let me see. Now, let me see over here, guys. Yeah, I'm not seeing an actual number on that. But these, this car, green wheels, green base. The inside of the wheels are actually still the stock color, the black with the red, but a green base. Okay, that's cool, guys. And I got one more, which should be the Olds. And it is. Very cool. 70 Olds Cutlass S Rally 350. Johnny Lightning actually made this car many years ago. They did a really nice job of it. I used to have that car. I sold it off when I sold a huge loose collection a long time ago. And I've never been able to find it again. The few times I've seen it, it's been expensive. So I'm really glad Greenlight has made this car. I think it's very cool. Number 901. I also really appreciate the fact that on all the cars, well, except for the Charger where it's not appropriate, all the cars have white letter tires. So that's one thing that bothers me a lot. And a lot of times, it'll keep me from buying a car or release of a car if they don't have white letter tires. I think cars basically that predate the 80s should have white letter tires on them. All of them, period. If it's in a factory, if it's supposed to be a factory, a stock iteration of the car, I think it needs to have white letter tires. Well optioned, performance cars, muscle cars, whatever. They have raised white letter tires on them from the factory almost inevitably back then. If they didn't, they had a white, a thin white wall or whatever. But I think it's important that it can't be that much more expensive for them to put white letter tires on all the cars they release. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Excited to have this new case. I'm excited to have that green machine too. And if I have time tonight, I will try to do maybe an opening video and we'll open these up. Thanks for watching.